This procedure describes a method to isolate 1 aryl 1H pyrazole 5 amines using aryl hydrazines with either 3-aminocrotononitrile or α-cyanoketones under microwave radiation.
The main advantage of this procedure is the rapid reaction time, as most reactions are complete within a matter of minutes. Our procedure also tolerates a wide range of functional groups, such as halides, nitriles, phenols, sulfones, and heterocycles.
In order for the reaction to be successful, it is critical that the reaction is stirring properly and that the microwave vial is sealed completely before heating.
To begin, obtain a microwave vial designed for reaction volumes of 2 to 5 milliliters that has been dried overnight in a glassware oven, and add an appropriate stir bar. In a fume hood, add 2 millimoles of 4-fluorophenylhydrazine hydrochloride and 2 millimoles of 3-aminocrotononitrile to the microwave vial. Then, add 5 milliliters of 1 molar hydrochloric acid to make the concentration of starting reagents 0.4 molar. Place the vial on a stir plate to stir the heterogeneous suspension. If the reactants have poor solubility and the reaction mixture cannot be stirred properly, transfer the solution to a larger vial and add additional 1 molar hydrochloric acid. Avoid exceeding the recommended solvent volume as specified by the microwave reactor operating manual. Now, use an appropriate crimper tool to seal the microwave vial with a microwave vial cap. Transfer the vial from the fume hood into the microwave reactor and adjust